Okay, boy, we're back, and it's man, it's what's today? The 24th. It is the 24th of July. It's a great day. I'm here with Holland Construction again. Dennis, our superintendent. We got an update for you, man. A lot has happened since the last time you checked it out, and so I'm going to turn it over to Dennis, and Dennis is going to tell us. I'm gonna back up because you got to see what has happened so far since we were here last week. Go for it, Dennis.
Like I said, we can see we're putting a Dens glass on up here in the front side here. Over the Dens glass, we'll get a waterproofing, which is going to be your EFIS. Down low, we get a couple courses of block, and then up to 10 foot, we're going to get brick, and then everything above 10 foot, we'll have our EFIS going above that. You can see our gray steel up here. The very front one here, we get our circle for the window. I should say the diamond back there is the window up front here. Just going to get a circle decorative ornament up in the front. We still have to put the big steel up here yet for the steeple out here, but that's going to be on a later date, so we can get everybody keep working up in the front here to get the EFIS all done. We put some metal up on the north wing over here. We did that there last week. That's all taken care of. We can jump on the inside here.
Okay, let's go inside.
We are working on getting the roof ready to go to start putting roof on.
So it looks like some of the roof is already on. What is that we're looking
This is
at?
what they call the tarp system to hold the insulation up in there. This is all done just for holding the insulation up here. Actually, the metal roof is going to go above all this here. We got all our banding in. They're putting their braces back in again now. And this here is a tarp system that falling down. Hopefully, by Wednesday, we should be able to get started up on this here side here. Start putting our sheeting on.
Okay, wow.
We have our cricket built up over here. We did last week. We finished that up. There's a cricket as far as a valley for diverting water up against the block wall, which is the elevator shaft here. So that's diverting all that.
So I'm gonna back up some, Dennis, so you can kind of point to the areas to the right and left, or the north and south.
Yep. To the right of me, like that is the cricket up here up on top. That is diverting the water. We got to put a valley up here to divert the water from getting around up to button right up against the block wall here for the elevator. It'll divert the water in each corner.
So what is over here to the north in this area right here?
This here area here where I'm standing at here is going to be the bookstore here. Right here is the bookstore. There is to the right here is going to be a storage closet in the back corner here.
Okay, so now if I turn back around, look at the front. We're really looking at the front entrance. This was not closed in last week.
Correct. So right up here in this triangle here, that's going to be an exterior window up here. That's they're building on working on that there. So
Okay.
that there's going to have a window in it. We've got two bigger windows down here. Right in here should be the cafe area where we're going to be, where I should be standing at. Cafe area here, underneath here.
Okay, so let's go into the sanctuary.
Okay.
Last week when we were here, the ceiling was open and you could see right in, and they've changed all of that. And now we're on the coming through the doorway to the sanctuary. Okay, so you can see this whole system.
Next break room we're putting up in here right now. All is taken care of. We'll be starting at the putting these on and working our way back, getting the roof on. This is just a tarp system here just to hold the insulation in there. The insulation is an unfaced insulation.
Okay, so we should be able to come back maybe even Friday, and it's going to be significant change.
I hope so.
Okay.
Hopefully I get my roof curbs that I can put up over here, and I get started putting my roof curbs up over here. They're supposed to be shipped today. Hopefully I get them on. That's for the roof curbs for the rooftop units that are going on this north addition over here.
Well, I really appreciate it, Dennis. We do this every Monday, so the life changers and the community can find out what exactly is going on with our construction. It's really coming along. I may come back Friday just for an update. and really appreciate it. Lord bless you guys. Hey, share it, and continue to pray for the progress of our construction and changing lives in this community. Thank you. Bye now.